Got a new pattern out today, and this pattern I've called Honey, Bookmark and Ribbon. The honey comes from the fact that it's got honeycomb running all the way through it, which allows us to get the ribbon through the patterns. So I've got 3 examples here. I've used a variegated thread, I've used white and pink, and I've used yellow and purple. So these are the 2 ribbons, and they fit in a book like that, and I quite like that sort of bookmark. You can of course make it longer and turn it into a ribbon. These are the 2 patterns. You've got the ribbon pattern and you've got the bookmark pattern. If you're very careful, you can actually cut through and create a continuous strip for your roller pillow and then make as long a piece of ribbon as you like. This is one of the threads that I've used for it, which is Coats Moon. Then I had in my stash some Mettler threads, and that is a number 30. So I've got those. Then we have the DeVere Yarns silk threads, and these are the 360 denier 18 thread. And then finally we've got the spun silk from Piper's, and this is 103, and I've got it in pink, and that is actually the white one. It is slightly ecru. This is what you download when you buy it, and I've said that it's an intermediate level. Here are all the stitches with all the QR codes linking to my YouTube channel. There is a special playlist set up for all of them that you can go in and look at. It requires 26 pairs. These are the 4 threads that I've recommended that I've used for it. Tools required, I've said a cookie pillow for the bookmark, and then you need something like a 3-block or a roller pillow if you want to make the longer ribbon. Pin lifter, Lazy Susan, crochet hook and some fine brass pins. And then here are the 2 patterns. These will be on my website today, and it's going to be £3.50 for the pattern. For that you get all these pages that I've just gone through.